2007, we thought to ourselves it would be great to start a company around high content analysis, which is the type of work we do. It's the type of technique that's used within the pharmaceutical industry. And the idea then was to create a company to service the pharmaceutical industry, and that's how we created Imagen Biotech. So I think what triggered us was obviously when AstraZeneca were announcing the opening of the BioHub, we were very keen to be involved, mainly because of the nature of the work that we do. We obviously want to stay close to the pharmaceutical industry anyway, and we've always been very, very impressed with the facilities, obviously at Alderley Park. They're second to none really. So that attracted us a lot, and we obviously have a lot of colleagues here who we used to work with, so we've always felt connected to the family, as it were, a little bit. So that was an attractive proposition for us. So I think the main components for us in terms of our needs was a really top class laboratory, class 2 laboratory, which of course this one is, and indeed the other issues for us is we have quite a bit of specialised kit. For instance, obviously this robot sitting here, which has to have sort of reinforced tabling and things like that. And again, BioHub were excellent at accommodating our requirements. So for instance, this bench had a completely different configuration when we're looking at the lab, and basically the people have removed all the different bits and pieces so this could go here. Obviously in terms of the move, they helped us get all the equipment up and reassembled. So it made life a lot easier for us being able to move in by having the sort of infrastructure and support that allowed us to get the lab set up quickly, which is really important for us too, because obviously we're a business that's operating. So yes, that was really helpful. It's very, very interesting. Just one thing that's happening within Imagen Biotech itself is we actually are changing direction ourselves at this time as well, which is why we also wanted to move. Just to explain what we're up to, we're actually moving a little bit away from general high content to personalised medicine, and we also want to do a bit of our own drug discovery. So that's another reason why we wanted to come here, because both areas fit very, very well with kind of what pharma are up to at the moment, and already we've had, just yesterday we had some meetings with some people within AstraZeneca to talk about linking up some of our personalised medicine ideas. So already that networking is happening, which is really, really important to us. So another important thing for companies like us is site security, especially with the sort of value of the equipment that we have here. But that has to also be balanced with sort of access to staff, and in fact BioHub have got that balance really good, in the sense that we've found that we've been able to quickly get our staff on site and with their proper badges and security worked out. There's great car parking facilities here as well, which is really important obviously for people who are travelling by car. So the whole experience of just getting set up here has been really positive.